Hi, welcome to very first video of my YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to apply glow effect on a traditional sketch. As you can see, we have a sketch of Naruto on the screen. Let's see how to add a glow effect to it. First of all, we're going to darken this sketch for the glow to pop out. You can do it many different ways, such as you can create a new layer or just paint solid paint black, and you can decrease the opacity just like this, or you can do it like changing the brightness of the sketch itself like this. After that, decide the colors you are going to use on your sketch. I'm already decided the colors I'm going to use. Now I'm going to add a new layer, and I'm going to use a layer style called overlay. Guys, I'm using Photoshop. It can differ from different apps to app. If you are using phone, you can use Ibis Paint and Autodesk Sketchbook. Autodesk Sketchbook has its own glow layer called soft glow and hard glow, I think, and Ibis Paint have add layer and overlay layer and screen layer you can use. So I'm gonna start from eye, and I'm gonna use overlay layer. I'm gonna choose a round brush, a simple round brush, and I'm gonna select the orange color. I'm just gonna paint. You see why I'm using overlay layer here, because it shows the lines and the shading above the paint layer. Now I'm gonna make another layer and make this vivid light. You choose yellow, and I'm gonna choose a soft round brush, and I'm gonna paint lightly to highlight the eye. Now I'm going to apply even more softer glow layer on top of this. So I'm going to add a new layer, and I'm going to change its style to linear dodge, and I'm going to use a soft round brush and make it fairly large. I'm going to choose the reddish orange color, and I'm gonna paint lightly. Paint lightly so that it gives a glow effect to the eye. Now I'm going to glow the eyebrows. For that, I'm going to add a new layer and make this a vivid light. And now I'm gonna choose a pencil brush and yellow color. I'm gonna paint below the eyebrow. We're going to do the same for the headband. The light coming from this direction, we're going to paint like this. Now we are going to paint the hair with a hard round brush. I'm gonna choose yellow color. Now I'm going to add shading to the hair. I'm going to make a clipping mask. Clip this layer on the hair layer so that I don't paint outside the hair layer. Now I'm going to make glow from an external source like a window or sunlight. Now I'm gonna paint on the side of the face where there is no shadows. Now I'm going to erase the other side with a soft round brush. And this is the final result. Hope you guys like it. Subscribe for more. See you next time.